Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. You have seen our yesterday's video for this week Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, and also on the levels that we need to look for in the larger time frame. So today we are going to discuss only intraday perspective for tomorrow. So if you look at the chart, this is a one-day chart of Nifty, and this is today's candle. So it is just closed below 200-day moving average. So 200-day moving average around 206 and Nifty closed around 17,200 levels. So if you see this pattern, candle pattern, trend line, so there is a resistance along this trend line. So tomorrow there is a possibility that the market may give up the gains made today, and you may see a big red candle like this, or else if there is a gap up, significant gap up, and sustains above this level, so you may see a wild move on the upside. So both the moves, both the possibilities cannot be ruled out. So this is from the daily chart perspective. Let us go to intraday action on a smaller time frame, 15 minutes or 5 minutes, and see what the chart is indicating. So if you look at this chart, 15-minute chart of Nifty, so there is a gap down, and then sustenance above that level, and then sideways move followed by a down move, and the day's low is made here, and then reversal from this level and closed near the highs of the day. So the closure near highs of the day indicate a positive momentum on a shorter time frame. And this gap is filled, and this gap is yet to be filled, and as of now it has made another gap. So this gap also needs to be filled. So when it is going to fill, the time can only tell. But for now, we'll look for a target of 17,252 on the upside, 317 followed by 401. On the downside, 17,128 followed by 17,064, and the last one 16,986. So these are the levels that we are going to look for tomorrow. So let us now move to Bank Nifty. So this is a one-day time frame chart, and as we discussed yesterday, it appears that Bank Nifty is stuck in between these two blue bands, and the action from here, there is a this trend line, and it reversed from here. So if you see the overall trend is downward, so it may take a move further down, possible, but will it do tomorrow? That is to be seen. If there is a significant gap up and a move above this level, so you may see testing of 36,800 and 883 levels, and from there you may see a reversal. Now let us go to shorter time frame, that is 5 minutes or 15 minutes of Bank Nifty. So here you can see that there is a gap up and sustenance above this level, and intraday action like this. But surprisingly, the Nifty closed towards highs of the day, and Bank Nifty not towards the highs of the day. Highs of the day are somewhere here, and the lows of the day is somewhere here. So it is closing near the lower end of the today's range. So you can expect a cover up, like what you call this gap is created, and up to this level it is covered, but this range is yet to be filled. If there is a gap down, you may see a level up to this thing, and from there you may see a reversal possible or a complete breakdown. And if you find any gap up tomorrow, so this is an important level to be looked at. The today's high around 36,600 levels, so bridge of which you may see 36,800 levels. Okay, from there reversal. So on the upside we'll be looking for 36,513, 604 and 813. On the downside 421, 300, 150, 36,005, 35,900 and 35,007 is also possible. So these are the levels on an intraday basis. From a weekly chart point of view, we have discussed in our last video that was uploaded yesterday, and the bias is negative. So whenever I see a significant gap up or a upsurge towards 36,600 to 800 levels, I would look for a trade on the shorter side. So define your risk, trade carefully, don't lose much of your trading capital. Take care. Bye bye.